Hi there friends, this is Deepakkshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. And in this session, I'm going to teach you how to make the famous and the most delicious Shahi Chicken Korma. And that too completely my style. And believe me, you are going to fall in love with this recipe and it's very easy to make also. So without a delay, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. Ingredients required for this chicken Shahi Kurma are half a kg of brined chicken, 3 green cardamom, 5 cloves, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, half an inch of cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, jeera powder or the cumin powder half a teaspoon, turmeric quarter teaspoon. Roughly chopped onions and tomatoes 1 cup each, garlic cloves 10, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of magaj and a half a teaspoon of cashew nuts, 2 pinches of kasturi methi, salt to taste. Padgi chilies 4 to 5, beaten curd 3 tablespoons, oil 2 tablespoons, desi ghee 1 tablespoon. And now let's see how to do this. Here I have taken a pan and I will add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is heated well. In this I'll add all the whole garam masalas and saute it on a low flame. And in this we'll add this red chilies and saute this in a low flame. At this time we'll add the roughly chopped onions and in this we'll add a little bit of salt and saute till the onions become translucent. You can see the onions are nicely been softened up and now we'll add the tomatoes and the ginger garlic paste and mix them well and allow them to soften up. And I will close the lid and allow this to cook until it's softened up. And now after 3 minutes, you can see that tomatoes and onions are nicely been softened up. Now we'll add the spices and we'll add a little bit of water and now mix well. We'll close the lid and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wow, this is perfect. And now the masala base is now ready. We allow this to completely cool and make a fine paste of it. And now the paste is ready. You can see how soft this is. We'll keep this aside. Here I have taken another kadai. In this I am going to add a teaspoon of oil. And in this we'll add this brined chicken. Brining of chicken is nothing but letting the chicken rest in a salty water. We'll squeeze out the water and add this into this. Add a little bit of salt and saute it nice and good. Close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. Here I have taken a mixie jar and in this we'll add this magaj seeds, cashew nuts and the beaten curd. and we'll make a fine paste of it. After 10 minutes, wow, you can see that chicken has completely left the bone. It means that the chicken has cooked completely. Remember this, you should never add water while frying this chicken. Now it's perfectly ready and done. And now we'll add this masala paste. And mix this well and good. And look, it has been nicely mixed and cooked. And in this we'll add the kaju and curd paste. And mix it well. You can see what a beautiful silky texture it got. This is exactly what I'm looking for. In this I will add a half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. And mix it well. And we'll add the remaining salt. And close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And here I will take a tampering pan, and in this we'll add a tablespoon of ghee. And now the ghee is hot. In this we'll add the crushed garlic. A badgi chilies. And in last we'll add some kasturi methi. Now the tampering is now ready. And after 3 minutes let's open the lid. Wow. You can see how the oil is all floating on the top. It means the gravy is now nice and ready. And in this we'll add this tampering. And give this a nice mix. And now the Shahi Chicken Korma is ready. Wow, just look at the texture of this recipe. How smooth and silky texture it has came out. Believe me, this tastes awesome. You guys just do it as the way I shown you, and I'm pretty sure that your family will fall in love with this recipe, and it will go excellent with naans, chapatis, pulkas and any types of flatbreads, and even you can accompany it with some rices. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon and turn on the notifications to all. So a lot of people are asking me to do a channel in Hindi also. As per your request, I have created a new Hindi channel by the name Deepak's Kitchen Hindi. The link for this channel is also given in this iCard here and also given in the description. Please do check my new channel and also don't forget to subscribe that one also. So we'll be back with another MA recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepakkshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.